Oh my god. I did not expect this result. I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked by the result. Okay, so this is not a clickbait. I actually did pay for views and subscribers, but I did it the legal way. That is through Google Ads. Yes, I created a campaign on Google Ads, and along with views, I gained a couple of subscribers. So it is kind of paying for them, but I want to make it very clear over here in bold letters that paying for views and subscribers is considered illegal by YouTube. So if you use any third-party products or applications like Fiverr or people offering packages, you run the risk of getting a channel banned. So be very careful while dealing with these people, and if you have to spend the money, I think Google Ads is the way to go about it. Now I have already created a detailed video on Google Ads and if you should or should not use them, and I had this to say in that video. Well, the only good thing that comes out of Google Ads is subscribers. And yes, unlike the views, the subscribers are organic because these people have seen your ad, watched your content, liked your content, and then decided to subscribe to you. But then it got me thinking, like, how can I be so sure? How can I be so sure that that is the only good thing coming out of Google Ads? What if that is not so good as well? How do I know that the subscribers I have gained from Google Ads are actually real people or are they bots? How am I so sure that Google Ads or Google does not have an algorithm wherein after a certain number of views you get 1 subscriber or 2 subscriber? I do not have answers to these questions. And yes, I have never denied that I have used Google Ads on my channel, but the amount of views and subscribers that I have gained from Google Ads is actually a very small percentage. So I don't really know that the subscribers that I gained from running those campaigns or from running those ads are actually real people or bots. So I decided to conduct an experiment to find out if Google Ads does give you real subscribers or are they just bots. And I want to test this theory once and for all to put my mind at ease and to put your mind at ease. So let's get on with it. Okay, so we are going to test out this theory, and I have created a brand new channel and we're going to run ads on that channel and see how it works. So let us take a look at that channel and let me share my screen with you. This channel I created around 3 months back. I had this video idea for the longest time, but I somehow just didn't put it into action. So as you can see, this channel has 3 subscribers, and full disclosure, these 3 people are actually my family members. So practically this channel has 0 subscribers. I uploaded this video, just one video, that is how to remove background noise, and this video was uploaded on 28th March. It has received 19 views. The views are organic other than the 3 views that I gave, so 16 views are organic, and you can see it has just got 228 impressions. So this channel is basically dead. So let us try to revive it through Google Ads, and let's run a Google Ads campaign on it. Okay, so we are going to start a new campaign without a goals guidance and a video campaign and custom video campaign. I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritties of creating a campaign. A video has already been made on that. I will link it up here and in the description box as well in case you want to check it out. I am going to set the bidding at 0.20. So I'm going to create a campaign now. Our campaign is ready. So that is about it. We have created a campaign, and now we are going to wait for the impressions to come in and people to start viewing this ad, and let's see if we gain any subscribers from this campaign, and I will see you once the campaign is done. Okay, so this is like the day 3 of the experiment. We started the campaign on 22nd of June at around 9 o'clock in the night, and today, that is on 24th of June, I received impressions and views. So as you know, I had set a budget of rupees 100 per day, but somehow it has exceeded to around 200, and in this 200 rupees we have had around 15,000 impressions and 978 views, which is good enough. So it has an average CPV of 19 paisa. So this is the analytics of the ad. Let's now move on to my channel dashboard. So as you can see, we have 8 subscribers as of now. When we started, we had 3, and those 3 subscribers were my own accounts. So we have gained 5 subscribers and the views have increased to 983. And check this out, this is what I was telling you, the average view duration has like gone really down, 20 seconds. Let us now go into the analytics of the video and see what has happened. This is what I don't like about Google. As you can see, it's a flat line and suddenly it just takes a spike, and it is somehow very unnatural. So it has taken a spike. It has got now around 900,000 views. The reach is again traffic source 97.8 through YouTube advertising, and as you can see, the engagement, the view duration has gone like really down. It is 20 seconds, and prior to this it was 3 minutes 48 seconds, that is 39.4%, which I consider a decent view duration for a video that is around 10 minutes long, and now it is only 20 seconds. So this is what I was talking about, that the view retention really goes down. And now that I've stopped this campaign, what it will tell the Google algorithm is that people are just clicking on this video and leaving like after 20 seconds. So maybe this video is not good enough, it is a clickbait. It is in a situation that you don't want to be. Okay, so how do we find out that these 5 people who have subscribed to our channel are actually real people and not bots? So I am going to upload a new video right now. I want to do it right now because these people have just subscribed to my channel. So if they are real people, chances are that YouTube will give them impression to my video. And since this video was on how to remove background noise, so I'm thinking that these people who have subscribed to my channel are actually interested in video editing. So I'm going to upload a similar video and see what the response is. If these people are organic subscribers, I should get a maximum of 5 views or a minimum of 1-2. I'm not going to watch the video that I upload from my account. So a minimum of 1 and maximum of 5 views from my subscribers. So let's upload the video now. I'm going to publish this video right now. So we're going to wait for at least 2 to 3 days before having a look at the analytics and see if we gained any views from those subscribers. And yes, I'm not going to view this video from any of the accounts that I'm subscribed to. So let's see. So I will see you again in 2 to 3 days. So welcome back. This is day 7. I know I said we will be meeting after about 2 to 3 days, but I decided to give this video a little more time to get a better picture and a clearer picture at the analytics. So without wasting much time, let's get on with it. So before we start with the analysis of the experiment and the video that we uploaded, I would request you all to hit the like button so that the video reaches more and more people. As you can see, this video has been live for 7 days and 6 hours now. So we have given it a lot of time, and let's get into the analytics of the video. This is what is it. So this video has gained 3 views and it has also gained me 1 subscriber, which is good, and 2 views were in the last 48 hours from YouTube search. So when we go to the reach tab, there are only 43 impressions and the click-through rate is 7%, which is good for the number of impressions that there are. Or I want to go to the audience part actually. Okay, so I do not know why. I think because the number of views are very less that the watch time from subscribers is not showing. So I actually have no clue. I was relying on this information to let me just see for 7 days, maybe then it shows up. Let me go to the channel analytics and let's see if we can find something over there. And let me see audience. So oh my god. I did not expect this result. Okay, so let me just go on to the dashboard again and let's get on with the analytics of this video. Let's see if there is something else that we can find. Let's go on to the reach of the video. So it says the traffic source is YouTube search. 66.7% and browse feature 33.3%. So I am guessing that the browse feature is from one of the subscribers, but I cannot be too sure because the browse features can be from actually anybody. Okay, I got this. Okay, so here we are. This is like, I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked by the result. It has 0 returning viewers and unique viewers are 3. As you can see, I have 2 new viewers over here, right? And 1 new viewer over here. But again, this is the analytics of this video. So let me just go on to the channel analytics. Let me see if we can find something over there, because this is again a skewed data, because this channel is so small and the data is so small, we cannot really be sure. Okay, so let me go on to audience over here. Okay, we got this. Okay, so returning viewer is 1 and new viewers are 2. So yes, one of our subscriber has viewed the video, and like I said, I will not be watching it from my account. So this is the subscriber from the Google Ads campaign. So you do get organic subscribers from Google Ads, and that was the whole idea behind this video. So yes, we gained 5 subscribers, and out of that, 1 has watched our video. So it is a 20% engagement from the subscribers we gained, which I think is a decent figure. I would say that the experiment was a success because the subscribers gained from Google Ads campaign returned to view our new video. Now here I would like to mention, do not use Google Ads if your channel is brand new. We did this whole exercise as an experimental purpose, but if you use Google Ads on a brand new channel, it can be detrimental because you do not know the preferences of your audience, right? Like in this case, we uploaded the video there and then, but only 1 came back. So maybe the other subscribers were not interested in this kind of content. So until and unless your channel has some organic traction, you have some viewers, you understand the choices and preferences of your viewers, you must not run Google Ads campaign before that. Never on a brand new channel. Have at least 10-15 videos on your channel, around 200-300 organic subscribers, then go on to run your Google Ads campaign. Point of this whole experiment was to see if the subscribers gained from Google Ads are actually real people or bots. So that is proof that they are real people. These people watch your videos, like your content, and then subscribe to your channel. So if you want to gain subscribers from Google Ads, you can do it, but yes, again, do not do it on a brand new channel. So that is it for this video, and if you need more information on Google Ads, you can check out any of these videos.